This is going to be the single biggest disruptor in our lives.
But it should be on your radar because it's here and the genie's not getting put back in the bottle.
So we might as well use it while we can. I guarantee you that all of us would love to get 2 to 3 more hours a week in time, or we'd like to get more done with less trouble.
It's really interesting to see how much more it can actually do.
How do I grow my business? How do I get qualified leads? How do I increase the average transaction? How do I create a referral culture? And how do I improve my profitability? And AI can help you do all of those things. People are asking me, is AI going to replace humans?
So I don't believe that AI is going to replace humans, but I do believe it's going to replace humans that aren't using AI.
And the smarter you get at giving prompts, I mean, this session ought to be called How to Become a Prompt Engineer.
I think before the session, I felt very intimidated and overwhelmed at the idea of AI. Now I just see opportunity for us to use it.
But that's really what we're talking about. How do you use it as a tool?
But you definitely explained it in a way that I understand and how to use it. I am definitely committed that I will start using it as early as this week.
It is absolutely gonna displace jobs. So think about the roles and responsibilities that you have in your organization. If they do any communication in audio, video, or in print, they could leverage this tool.
I'm just so excited at the opportunities this opens for me to give better resources to owners and operators.
So AI won't replace humans, but it is going to replace humans not using AI.